Hi everyone, this is Christine Chen. Welcome back to my channel. Given fall just right at the corner, I'm kick off a new video series at my channel called Thrift Challenge. I'm curious if I hit to thrift store regularly with a specific decoration idea and a set budget in mind, how much I can actually buy and bring home. I realized that if I shop intentionally, I found so many treasures. So yeah, I'll share you what I grabbed and definitely what I leave behind for my beloved thrift friends. They're all so good for fall decoration. And yeah, I told you I bring so many goodies and they literally just sit on the shelf and make me so happy whenever I look at them. And I've been brainstorming so many good ideas how I'm gonna use them in the fall decoration. So if this is your vibe, come join me. This is my favorite thrift store in the area, Unique. This challenge, I went on 2 separate trips. And right when I walked in, I was so thrilled to see they had finally rolled out the seasonal table, the one that features all the seasonal items. I knew I came at just the right time. The first thing I spotted was this pumpkin, and I immediately fell in love with the texture and the stem. The color will be changing soon because this year, I'm on a mission to throw as many pumpkins as possible and give them all makeovers. So stay tuned for that DIY video. I also picked up this ceramic LED mummy pumpkin. And oh my gosh, when I turned the lights on, it was just too cute to pass out. My husband is also big on celebrating Halloween, so we're definitely decking out the house for the spooky season this year. Next up is this decorative floor plate. I was immediately drawn to the color palette. It features a sweet little boy and a girl harvesting pumpkins, and there are adorable pups nearby. And look at the background, the golden coastals, the fall trees. It all gives such a nostalgic vintage vibe. I think the warm tones will work so well with my fall color theme this year, so I had to come home with me. Then I found this 60-inch skeleton garland. I love how dainty yet fun the little skeleton figures are. They are the perfect mix of playful and spooky. I actually used skeletons as a fun theme in my Halloween decor last year. And this year I'm taking even further, bigger and bolder. So yes, it went straight into the cart. And then another pumpkin. This one already had the perfect fall color, and I love the stem, the texture, and the handcraft strip. You can tell it was someone's little craft project, and the sparkles on it were easy to remove. I tested right there in the store, so of course this one came home with me too. Last but not least, I found this full-size skeleton hat. It really solid and has a great presence. Mouth even opens up perfectly, and it has a really elastic, slightly erect look. Perfect for the statement Halloween display. So here I am, happily pushing my car to check out. And of course, my pumpkin right out front, safely secure in the passenger seat. This was such a great start to my seasonal thrift hunt. I circled back to Unique again this Saturday, and boy, did I spot even more treasures. The first item that immediately caught my eye was this gorgeous hand painting picture. I'm completely in love with the deep chocolate glaze and the bold floral detail. It has such a rich vintage charm. Honestly, this is something that I can style all year round because it fits so well with my love for earthy tones. Now moving on this iridescent ceramic pumpkin. This one might not stay in its original form. I'm planning to DIY all the pumpkins that I thread this year, so this is definitely going to be one of them. And now another jackpot. This ceramic canister gave me instant task and kitchen vibe the moment I saw it. The hand painting floral motif in warm yellows, deep blue grays, and olive green feel so rich and inviting. Perfect for cooking, coffee, or just sitting pretty on a shelf. I'm already imagining a whole yam inspired by the colors in this piece. Next up, this amber glass gold black, and oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. The color is this perfect warm golden amber that instantly kick off all the fall vibes. You remind me of golden hour light mixing with fall leaves, literally autumn in a glass. And let's talk about this clear apple-shaped glass dishes. I fell in love the second I saw them. They make a crystal clear glass that catch the lights beautifully. What really got me was this deep vapor texture on the inside. It looks like a frosty leaves or fossil prints. Think of that cozy crisp vibe I adore. Next up is this gorgeous rusty handmade handle plate or shadow bowl. I cannot get over the charm of this piece. It has a beautiful organic hang-sew look with twin loop side handles that adds instant characters and vintage flair. While I'm not sure if it's food safe, it's perfect as a catch-all dish by the entryway, a coffee table centerpiece, or a seasonal filler bowl. Next up is this dark wool photo frame. I grabbed it the second I saw it. I love the reddish brown tone. It adds so much richness and warmth, perfect for fall styling. These mantle pumpkin tea light holders are subtle and charming fine, perfect for cozy fall evenings. They come in a set of two, so I grabbed both. Perfect for a mantle, entryway shelf, or even as a part of Thanksgiving centerpiece. A piece won't go wrong with my upcoming fall decor. Oh, and I used a 20% off coupon on all the items I picked up on these trips. So everything was even more of a steal. The hunt isn't over yet, guys. So now let's head to some local Goodwills and see what other goodies we can buy. Now let's head to some local Goodwill stops. There are 3 near me, most within a 15-minute drive. At the first one, I spot this large jack-o'-lantern pumpkin with a cave-style opening. It's perfect for outdoor porch decoration, durable, timeless, and easy to use year after year. Next up, I find this box of bow filler. What matters is that the accents inside work beautifully with my color palette and styling vision this year. I especially love the lemon. It's not that bright, fake yellow you often see. This one is more muted, toned down yellow, which I love. So yeah, this one come home with me too. And then jackpot, I found these 2 rustic wooden candlesticks in different heights and finish. When I flipped the base, I realized they are from Magnolia. They are exactly my vibe. Muted wood tones, rough finish, brown hues, perfect for fall tablescape in the fireplace mantle. I can already picture them styled with taper candles, mini pumpkins, or dry florals for a grounded, earthy fall look. They have that classy charm that I know I will pair them with modern accents to keep it fresh but not overly traditional. So yes, this trip made me very happy. Now off to the next Goodwill. First up, I spotted this adorable pumpkin lantern. It's battery powered and blends the look of a classic oil lamp with a jack-o'-lantern twist. I love the glowing bright orange hues from within, and that sweet smiling face gives it so much charm. It worked perfectly in any of my indoor Halloween vignettes or cozy front porch styling. Next, I grabbed this hanging ghost, such a Halloween classic. It's lightweight with this airy drip white fabric, bold black field eyes and mouth, and give off playful boo energy without being too spooky. The size is great too, big enough to make a statement, but not overwhelming. So yes, this one came home with me. Now, I'm fully committed to grabbing any skeleton I come across at the thrift store. No question asked. So naturally, this one makes its way into my cart too. The 4th thing I picked up is this cookbook. I'd be honest, I don't cook that much, so I never committed to buy a full-price cookbook before. So it's great to grab them from Thrifting. This one really caught my eye with this beautiful brown hardcover and stylish spine. It has that cozy, display-worthy look. The size feels just right, and when I flipped through it, the image was absolutely stunning, and the recipe looks so delicious. It honestly feels like one of those cookbooks that makes your kitchen feel warmer by just sitting there. Lastly, I found this rustic glazed spoon rest or small catch-all dish. If you see my previous find, you know I'm a sucker for everything handcraft or hand glazed. This piece has an organic shape and a beautiful 4-tone glaze that flows from a golden arch or soft earthy brown. I can already picture it in my fall kitchen setup. So yes, this was another successful thrift trip. Now off to the next Goodwill. Let's start with this vintage mushroom soup mug with a recipe print. A total retro treasures. I came across the ceramic soup mug and couldn't resist. I've seen different versions before. I have already an onion soup and a chicken soup one from previous trips, so this is my 3rd in the set. I love soup. Where I come from, stools and soup are staple food, so these mugs feel very nostalgic. I can already picture this style in my cozy fall kitchen decor. Next up is this hang-throw rectangle dish. I fell in love with the glaze and the artisan feel of it. It got this rich, dark finish that beautifully contrasts with the earthy tone base. I imagine use this to serve jewelry or styling it as an accent piece on my rustic credenza. Now let's talk about cookbook. I picked up 2 more to add to my collection. The first one is The World's Best Food for the Healthy and Long Life. The cover is so visually pleasing with a bold orange spice and gold lettering. I looked it up online and listing for about $17 on Amazon. Even though there ain't many images inside, the aesthetic of the cover alone makes me love it. The second one is The Best of Scotland. The vintage cookbook is a total dream for anyone who loves books with story. I honestly pick it up for styling. It has the warm, cozy charm, the binding's lovely, and apparently listing for $29 online. It's been a beautiful touch in my fall and winter kitchen decor. So this wrap up this round of Thrift 5. I did a quick rundown, and it turns out I stayed right within my $100 budget for this week. In just a few days of treasure hunting across different local thrift stores, I scored so many amazing pieces. From fall decor to cookbook that can use also year around. That's the magic of thrifting. You never know what you're gonna find, and the thrill of discovering keeps you coming back for more. I had so many fun filming this series with you guys and gathering all these treasures for my upcoming fall styling. So yeah, what do you think, guys? I literally had so much fun. Leave in the comment to let me know what you're gonna grab and what you're gonna leave behind. Make sure you subscribe because there are part 2, part 3 on the way. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!